Hello, Harris, the best video on the planet. Now today, I'm gonna show you how we can do the social plan as a full setup, and I'll show you all the requirements you need. And at the end, I'm gonna use all my social medias and post live on video and show you how you're gonna go through it step by step. This is essentially what the social plan can do in the marketing tab. So you can connect all your social accounts, you can schedule and plan, you can bulk CSV files into it, and whenever the business or yourself gets a 5-star review, you can also automate and share that online. And of course, you can track all your performance metrics as well. So let's get right into it. Okay, so go to the marketing tab and go to social plan. Now when you come here, you want to connect your social media. So you want to go to new account and connect it. Now with Instagram and Facebook, you need to go on Instagram and Facebook and make it a business account or creator account, as you can see here. And with Facebook, you need to do this. Go to this link within the description, create a Facebook page that Highlevel can recognize. So what I'll show you, so you click on it and this will pop up and you'll create your page, and you can create a page like you can put in here, Highlevel Harris, blah blah blah. Make it look good, just because this is what Highlevel will recognize and allow you to do everything essentially. So once you've gone on Instagram and created a professional page, and Facebook, you've just done what I've said, you create a page there. What to connect them both together if you want, because if, as you can see here, if we try to connect Instagram here, you can connect Instagram with Facebook. So to connect Facebook with that Instagram you just made, what you can do is go to your Facebook, go to settings and privacy, go to settings, scroll all the way down to linked accounts, and then Instagram will be here. You can click it and then connect it all together. Okay, so do that. Once you've done all those steps, you can come in now, and this is very simple. You just literally go in, press add new account, click what you want, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, connect it, and then at the end it will look like this. Okay, so all your statistics you can check here, pretty self-explanatory. So let's say I wanted to upload a video now. Okay, so we can go to add new post, create. So this is really cool because you can post on all of them at the same time. So I've clicked all of them now, so it's posting to all three without me doing anything, like having to go in individually, do it all. So you can customize for each. I'd recommend that. Now with Facebook, I believe you need to do for reels, I'm posting now, you need to do like 90 seconds max. For the rest of them it's a bit different, but I know for that 90 seconds. So most of the time that's fine anyways. Okay, so we can go to reel. Okay, so we need to upload the reel now. So I just went to reel. Let's go over here and let's upload the reel. Okay, so here it is over there. Let's double click it. Okay, so there's my reel there. It's weird seeing myself twice, but so I just got on ChatGPT and told it to make me some descriptions. So let's go here. Okay, so that's Facebook. Now let's go to Instagram and let's go back on ChatGPT and let's tell it to do this. Boom. Then YouTube Shorts here. Let's go to YouTube, post, boom, done. Now for each, you can actually change the thumbnail. So you can put a custom thumbnail. So if you can upload it if you want, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to do it, but that's for the YouTube Short. The title needs to go there because with the Instagram one, that one is there. And then with the Facebook, that's there as well. Okay, you can see the little description there. Okay, so let's change the YouTube Short one. So let's see, that's probably not. Okay, so that's enough. So now what we can do is we can go here to post. We've got 4 key things that we can do. It's pretty cool. So we can post it now. We can schedule the post for later. I wouldn't do this. You can send the post for approval. You can schedule recurring posts. So you can keep posting this in a certain time frame if you want. So if you want to schedule, it looks like this. So you can schedule it at whatever time, what time, date, whatever. I'll cancel that. So what you can do if you want a reoccurring, you can repeat every 5 days or every 5 weeks, the date range, the days you want it to happen, etc. For me now, I think I may just post this, post now. So I press post now. So post created successfully. So as we can see here, now all 3 are in progress on each social platform. Okay, so the YouTube Short apparently is published. So let's have a look at that. So let's go on my YouTube channel. By the way, if you go on my playlists, you can see I've got all playlists for Highlevel. So from number 1, getting started from the absolute beginning, then I've labeled them 1 to 11, each increasing difficulty. So you can use this playlist, or if you want to actually start the software, and get 30-day free trial plus all these benefits here. If you use the first link in the description, you can get 30 days. Plus one-on-one Zoom call me, my sales scripts, my snapshots, literally everything. Or if not, you can just carry on, use these playlists as you want. So let's go on Shorts, have a look. Our short has been published, okay, so we can go ahead and like it. Okay, so let's have a look at the other ones. So let's refresh, and all 3 are now published. Okay, so let's go on YouTube. Here you are. So on my On my Instagram, by the way, I got no followers. Please follow me. I just created it like now. So here we are. It's all done. So all the hashtags are there. All the titles there. Also on social plan, if you go to settings here, you got some things that you need to know about as well. So you can go ahead and delete all the delete the accounts that is synchronized to. You can also connect. You can also add watermarks to your own work if you want. So just go to add watermark, type your name in, upload. You can go ahead, upload your logo, and you can make it how opaque or not, and you can increase it or make it really small, and just name it Highlevel Harris, and then it will add it to your content. That's just saved me so much time. I don't have to go into each one. Just go to Highlevel, post it, done. By the way, if you want to know how to create automations with these accounts, my previous video, I created a really cool video on how you're going to create Facebook and Instagram DM automations and comment under posts automation. So be sure to watch that. Okay, so that's going to be everything. I hope you like it. By the way, if you like the video and comment done, I'll send you a calendar link to jump on a one-on-one Zoom call with me. If you've got any questions, if you want to help setting up Highlevel with the 30-day free trial. So yeah, please like the video.